Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back to our video. So in this video, we're gonna make a slap house bass, like the song Summer Jam by Kaan Pars. That was released on Lithuania HQ, so the bass consists of 2 layers, a top layer and a sub layer. So let's straight dive into it. So first we're gonna start off with a sub bass. So we're gonna make an in preset in Serum, sounding like this. So all the presets are coming from the new pack Sounds of 2020, so if you want more presets like this, hit the link down below. But now we're gonna make it from scratch, so it's gonna be a saw wave 2 octaves down, filter it. At the sub bass, so the random needs to be all the way down to keep it mono. We're gonna shape the filter like this. It's a low 18, cut off around here. Quite a lot of resonance, just to give the sound a bit of an edge. Quite some drive and fatness. Enable the mono legato with a bit of portamento for some more slide. A little bit of release. Then we're gonna route envelope 3 to the master tuning, just to add some more punch to the sound. So go to the matrix, set it up like this, giving this effect. It's a bit too much, so just around here. And that's it for us layers. Now we're gonna add some more effects. We're gonna tube distort it with a pre-filter. Drive around here. It's quite heavy right now, but we're gonna filter it later on, so no worries about that. Just some compression, bump up the gain, and then we're gonna filter it with a low 12, cut off around here, some drive, and we're gonna dip the highs just a little bit, just like this. That's it for the sub bass. So in the track it sounds like this. This ain't nothing but a summer jam. So now we're gonna make the top bass. So now we're gonna dive into top bass. It sounds like this. It's only got a little low cut in the master chain. So without and with it. Let's make it from scratch. Select in the preset. We're gonna use the gritty wavetable because it's just a really gritty top end of the sound. We're gonna use 3 unisons, detune just around here, wavetable around here. Randomness is gonna be all the way up because it's the top end of the sound. So it's gonna be so this one's a little bit wider. Then we're gonna FM modulate it. So select FM from B. Lower down 2 octaves. And we're gonna use this wavetable. Unisons just around here, wavetable around here. So now it sounds really bad, but we're gonna filter it to get more of that punchy bass sound. So we'll be using low 12, cut off just around here, drive around halfway, and we're gonna shape the filter with envelope 1. So right to the cutoff, just around here. Sustain gonna be almost all the way down. Stick in mono, just to avoid overlapping notes. Decay time gonna be really short as well, around 300. Then we're gonna route envelope 3 to the chorus pitch. Just like this to add some more punch to the sound. Then we're gonna add a noise sound to it. We're gonna use the guitar smack. Sounding like this. Add it to the filter. Just to add some more punch to the top end of the sounds. And that's it for oscillators. Now we're gonna dive in effects. First we're gonna distort it with diode 2. It's gonna be a really heavy one. But we're gonna filter it. So first we're gonna destroy the sound with the OTT as well. And then we're gonna filter it, so the same way as we did with the previous filter. Just like this. And then we're gonna EQ the sounds. Just dip the low end with F1. So every time a note is playing, the low end will dip a little bit. Slipping a little bit right now, so lower down the master volume. And that's it for this top bass. So together the basses sound like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more on the subscribe button. And the final result will sound like this.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam. Bronze skin and cinnamon tans. Whoa, this ain't nothing.